Hi, my name is Mitchell. I'm the co-founder of DNC Drafting Hub. We offer three services, which is 2D CAD drafting and 3D rendering, as well as BIM modeling. So basically, we create 3D from a design that's provided by our integrators, and large conference room, training rooms, as well as small conference rooms as well. We also do 2D CAD drafting, basically elevations, line diagrams, shop drawings, and we also do again, like 3D rendering and stuff like that. So we provide electrical table, video equipment, audio equipment, as well as BIM modeling for constructions or engineering and stuff.